For the easiest, most hands-off experience, you can select one of our many pre-programmed channels. This is the easiest way to get started, and you can always switch to another option. Every day, our team of experts creates a new playlist for each pre-programmed channel. Here, I'm going to create my own fully customized music profile by first selecting music styles. Then, I'll use the sliders to adjust the proportion of each music style on the playlist. You can also create special occasion or seasonal music profiles, set the right mood and energy level during calm mornings and busy afternoons. Day parts allow you to control what types of music play during different parts of the day. You can use the pre-programmed channels as inspiration, or you can completely customize your day parts however you want. For example, you might want dance music playing on Friday nights, but more relaxed music in the mornings. You can easily control and schedule different music settings by time of day and day of week. And you can have the music automatically start and stop with your business hours. All of our music is carefully screened for controversial and explicit content. You can select your level of sensitivity: explicit, clean, or super clean. The default value is set to clean to avoid playing any explicit content unintentionally. You can upload your own content, such as announcements, advertisements, jingles, and still images or videos. Any changes you make will become active within a few minutes or after 1 to 2 songs have played. You can customize how many ads and jingles play at certain times of the day. Let's say I want to have more ads and jingles when my store is busier. You can create different users with different levels of access to help manage your content. There are 6 different user levels, so you can customize each person's access and role. This lets employees have access to certain parts, like uploading content or managing music profiles, without having administrative access.